This is a crazy man. We're going to do the legendary destroyer, the Russian destroyer, the Khabarovsk. Uh, yeah, I can't say this name, so fuck it. I did take it out once in a game, just give it a tryout, and I got deleted right off the bat in the game. But I said I was going to deliver. I deliver what I say I'm going to do. Yeah, here we go in the game. Now, like I said before, win or lose, I don't care. I prefer to win. I'm not going to keep... I'm not kind of a person that's going to give you the best game. I'm going to give you what I can. And if it's a great game, awesome. If not, so be it. I should have went over the concealment of this. It really sucks. I think I got a 6.2 or 3 radius kilometers. The torpedoes are best on spotting range. They don't get spotted to like 6 kilometers, but they're short range. Basically, if you're going to torp somebody, you're going to have to really sneak up on them and do it, because if not, you ain't going to hit them. But then again, that close range, by the time they get spotted, it's too late. They're going to get deleted or get heavily punched. All right, we're at 8. There's C, B, shit. All right, this map is going to be kind of retarded. What's on the other team? The Kagral Alpha is the Shimakaze. Now, there's one thing about this ship. It's got 4 seconds reload time. Basically, the Kakarot can punch in the mouth, the La Fasta or whatever. The Shimakaze, which is my favorite legendary destroyer, I could actually punch that in the mouth. So, anyways, we're going to see what we can do with this ship. And I'm going to run 2 games on this back to back. It's going to be a long video about this. It's meet this and anyways, yeah. Now some people are really good with this ship. This is my second time playing it. I'm not comfortable with it. It's not me. So, well, look, there's Iowa. I'm going to try to get over here to this island. I'm not going to use my torps. Like I said, there's short range. My main thing is spotting. And maybe try to set people on fire. And look, I'm already spotted. How is that possible? Simple. The concealment on this son of a bitch is really sucks. But he just definitely got punched. And he's definitely fucked.
Torpedoes to start. Main turret critically damaged. Torpedoes to start. Smoke generator start.
I got torpedoes headed his way. Unfortunately, I don't think my torpedoes hit him. I'm in a bad position right now. They know I'm here. I want to set fire to that Iowa. Try to get some hits. I'm actually getting some points off this. The first game, I'm doing better now than the last game I played. With this, the first time I played it, I'm getting more points. Put in reverse. Look at all those torpedoes just flying my way. Wow, they kind of orchestrated this. They really want to get me. Well, they don't realize I got torps too, and I'm going to try to get out of here. And I am actually going to shoot every fucking one of these right here. Boom, boom, and then I'm hauling ass. And of course, I ran into this other ship.
Engine boost activated.
One thing is, the rudder shift on this is 10 seconds. This ship sucks at maneuvering. I can't describe how much a pain in the ass this ship is. I'm actually going to sneak around, try to get close to that Iowa, and torp the shit out of them. Now this ship does got speed. Torpedo-wise, not so much. But I'm going to have to get up pretty goddamn close to him. See, I'm spotted by him, which I was stupid. Yeah, this is not going to be a great outcome for me. I did start a fire on him. I was lucky there. He wasn't so lucky.
Enemy battleship sunk.
Now, I know there's destroyers around here.
All stations, concentrate fire on
There's the other one.
all stations.
My main mission, I'm going after this Iowa. And he's actually backtracking. Which is fine by me.
Torpedoes, direct front.
And of course, there's torps, and I'm probably going to get punched one.
Dead ahead.
Yep, that's enemy. This ship, I don't like it. In reality, I think it's a piece of junk. The turning radius on the ship is it's horrible. It's 10 seconds rudder shift. Yeah. And look where the Iowa is and the battlecruiser is over here. If they would have came over there, we could have done a little bit more better, and unfortunately we didn't get the point because of it. But I'm not going to stay in this game and just watch us lose, because basically that's what's happening. What do I think of this destroyer? Well, we're going to play one more game after this game's over with, and I'll give you an idea what I really think, in my opinion, of this ship. So far, I'm not impressed. I only played 2 games. This was my second game. I am not impressed with it. I probably, after this game, the next game, I am not going to use it. It ain't good for shit, as far as I'm concerned. I'm going to go back to port. We're going to look at some of the stats, why it's in battle, because we still could do that. Alright, first of all, let's go to this. I got aiming system on. Mod 1. I have to manage, upgrade, steering gears mod 2. I put concealment because if I did, it would be 7.3 concealment instead of mod 3, which technically I should use, but I didn't. I used main battery reload time, main battery travel speed. Let's go to stats. 24,900 hit points. Not really great. Fire range, 12.9 kilometers. 4 seconds reload time. Turn time, 9.4. Heat shields. HE shells. 1,900 damage. Fire saving chance, 8%. Believe it or not, it's kind of really good. And maximum AP shell damage, 2,600. Torpedoes. You get 10 of them. Reload time, 100 seconds. Turning time, 6 seconds. Maximum damage, 19,500. Torpedo detectable range by sea, 0.6 kilometers. That's really good. Torpedo range, 6 kilometers. Torpedo speed, 58 knots. Maximum speed, 43 knots. Turning circle radius, 7.60. Not great. Rudder shift time, 10 seconds. Sucks. Detectable range by sea, 6.2 kilometers. Yeah, this ship really does suck. Let's go to armor on it. Well, there ain't none. That's bullshit. Maybe because it's still in battle. My captain. Yeah. More concealment, Eric Bay. William Sims for the extra life. I have... Oh, you know what? Maybe I should use torpedo speed. Let's see here. Nope, I got the reload time down. Increased ship concealment rating. Yeah, it needs a lot of help on that subject. Increase main battery travel speed of your destroyer and show the direction of the closest enemy ship. Smoke screen. Increase smoke screen development. Yeah. And plus of this. Should I go up here to make my concealment a little bit more? Yeah, fuck it. Why not? No, let's see what the concealment is on this bitch. Still, 6.1. Not bad. Not good, but not bad. Let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and melt this. I gotta wait till the ship's back in. Hopefully I got enough. I'd like to get that down to under 6 kilometers. I'm sorry this is not going to be the best video in the world. Not much damage. So, yeah. Not really happy with that ship. In all honesty, if I could sell it, I would. But they don't allow you to sell legendary ships. I did recently unlock, actually, a new British ship, the Hawkins. Let's see here. I got the Syria. I got Devonshire. And just now, I unlocked the Hawkins. I do like that. I'm going to use Bruce Fraser as the commander. So, I'll make all 3 new ships that you can only get in crates until next month where you can buy them. I don't have to buy, only one I have to buy is the Tier 7 battlecruiser. That's it. Oh, I was watching Spartan Elite 43 earlier, and he was saying a comment that one guy in a video saying use HE shells in your Yamato. If he used HE shells in your Yamato, you're the dumbest motherfucker I ever met. The armor piercing is great. It will punch anything in the mouth. You use HE on a Yamato as your main gun to shoot at other enemies, you're not going to do shit. It proves you're an idiot. Use AP. Alright, here's our second round of the Khabarovsk. This is going to be the last one, and I'll give you my final opinion on it. My final opinion right now is I'm never going to use this ship again. But I said I'll get a video out. The second game, the one I just played with this ship, was better than the first time. The Shimakaze, the first time I used it, I got 160,000 damage. Never before I've done that kind of damage with a destroyer. So I'm not even breaking 50,000 yet, and this is going to be my third game with this ship. I am not impressed with it. I don't care for it. Like I said, I'll never use it after tonight. But doesn't mean I suck with it. Doesn't mean you're going to suck with it. You might like it. You might find what and do really well with it. All right, let's see what's on the other team. The Lightning, Azuma, Cleveland, Amagi, John Bart, Iowa, Yamato, go first. Yeah, I pretty much fucked this team over by putting this ship in here. But if we win, we win. I am just basically going to use this as a gunboat as best I can. I am going to short torpedoes in that section. The one thing I love about this ship, it does have speed. Now see, I'm pointing at the Jean Bart. If my team was smart, and I use that very loosely, they would shoot at that son of a bitch. Now, I am going to do this. And normally I don't spread them out like this, but I am going to do this. And I'm putting this up.
Smoke generator started.
Can you get that? Sorry about that. That was my phone.
Smoke screen set.
Now there's an Iowa. I am actually going to load on it.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
I like the fact that it reloads really fast. And already in this game, I've done major amount good damage. I've helped assist capture.
Engine boost deactivated.
Yeah, I really love this. I don't love this ship, but I do like the. I'm kind of fucked now. Well, that son of a bitch kind of. I think I'm going to go punch this guy. And I'm going to put these right here. He's kind of fucked right now. I'm going to put armor piercing on this, see what the fuck he does. Not really a whole hell of a lot, but hey.
The ship is on fire.
66,000 damage. I'm pretty impressed that I actually got that much. I know somebody else ain't gonna be too. Oh look, there's a fucking goddamn bitch. Bye, motherfucker.
Enemy destroyer blown up.
See, now I am fucked.
Requesting support.
I am being spotted right now. I have no clue where my. Never mind. I figured out where the son of a bitch is.
It's on fire.
Will my team help me? No.
Problem solved, sir.
I'm gonna try to go over here next to my team and park my ship. That's one thing I hate about this ship. It's really sucks. Now, this is my third game. The damage is good. Got 1 kill, 1 assist capture. But there's a lightning right there. Somewhere. Was that kind of stupid on my end? Most definitely. But you know what? Fuck it.
Smoke generator started.
This is what I'm talking about. I'm turning this ship and it's taking forever. And I just got spotted again.
Requesting fire on the designated target. deactivated.
There you are, you little son of a bitch.
Requesting assistance. Concentrate fire on the designated target. Concentrate fire on the designated target.
If I can get rid of this.
Target position.
I am going to fight a destroyer. If I can eliminate that destroyer, we're good.
Nice work. Our victory is in sight. Nice work.
Alright, I'm spotted, but I don't know where he's at. He's actually on the wrong side of my ship for him. And down he goes.
We've sunk an enemy destroyer.
That's one thing. This thing will punch a destroyer and delete a destroyer. Out of 3 games, this is my best game with this ship. Will I use again? No. It doesn't feel good for me. But in the same sense, it might be great for you or somebody else. It's not my cup of tea. It doesn't help I can say the fucking name of it. I'm not going after a battleship. I'm actually going for points.
Engine boost deactivated.
Because basically this ship is only going to be good for one thing. Points and spotting. I mean, I got 1 capture, 1 assist capture, 120 shots. Holy crap. 2 defense, 2... I set 6 fires.
Our victory is in sight.
And got 2 kills. Overall, I'm very shocked I got that much. 79,000 damage. I never once thought I was going to get that. And I'm just going to park this thing and just... like I said, I don't like this ship. Out of 3 games, this is the best game I could get. I am not going to play this probably again. Unless somebody makes a comment and say, hey, why don't you play this ship again? Then I probably will, but right now, as of now, no. In all honesty, adding Sims to have that extra boost, it's the only reason why I'm still in the game. Because the original hit points is 22,000 hit points. This cannot touch a Shimakaze. Only thing this has got is reload speed. And you know what? Fuck you, Grossifer. You are so stupid. I'm pretty much going to get deleted, but I'm just seeing how far this is going to go. We already won the game. And my damage is still going up. Oh, not anymore. He put it out. But I ended the game at 97,906 damage. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it again. $397,000 damage, 906. 2 destroyed, 7 set fires, defend twice, 2 captures, 2 assist captures. I finished number 1 on the leaderboard. Shocking. Economy, 220,000 it costs to use this ship for ship service. I made my money back. Out of 3 games, this was my best game of them all. But if you like what I'm doing, smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And for everybody who watches this, you have a good night, and I'll see you in my next video.